Hello, class! Welcome to our math class. Today, we are going to be talking about what belongs or not belongs to a group. But before we start with that, let's sing our banana song. You want to do it? Okay, guys, let's do it. Ready? Put your thumb up. Ready. Peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, chop banana, chop banana, chop banana, chop banana, shake banana, shake banana, shake banana, shake banana, drink banana, drink banana, banana. Banana. That's all, banana. Good job, guys. Okay, let's see what is that about belong or not belong. Okay, let's see. If we have a group of things and one of them is different, that one doesn't belong there. So let's take, for example, the pictures that we have up here. You're going to find in the first group 4 elements. Let's see what do we have here. So we have a banana, we have a watermelon, an apple, and a corn. Let's think about it. Okay, banana is a fruit. The watermelon is a fruit. The apple is a fruit. What happened with the corn? Is that a fruit? No, that's right. Very good. Okay, so which one are we going to cross out from that group? It will be the corn. Great job. Okay, guys, that's what you're going to be doing in the page of the book. I hope you enjoy it and also practice with the games that we propose, okay? See you next time. Bye.